Lesson 20, ledger lines, the 2/4 time signature, plus more pieces. You already know all of the notes that are written on the treble and bass staves. These notes, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F and G, from there to there, they all fit very nicely on the treble clef stave. But if you want to write down an A in the music, you need a ledger line, a little small extra line to write the note on. The same with the B, a C, a D, and so on. In the left hand, you know all of these notes. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. If you want to write a C in the bass clef has a little ledger line going through it. And all of these lower notes do as well. High and dry. The 2/4 time signature. If the time signature at the start of a tune is 2/4, it means that there are 2 crotchet beats in each bar. So a typical bar could have, say, 2 crotchets, or 4 quavers, or 1 minim, or any combination of these that add up to 2 beats. Here is 2 at a time. She'll be coming round the mountain. Minuet in G by J.S. Bach.